Lesson number 14. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. Do you remember helping either of your parents with chores? Which ones? Do you know any parents that hovered over their children like a helicopter? Why or why not? What did your parents expect from you as a teenager? Did you rebel? Which parenting duties do you think your parents did well? What would you like to change about the way your parents treated you as a child? A teenager? Why? Are you close with your father or mother now? What do you do together? Do you resemble either of your parents? How? What are you grateful to your parents for? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.